Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the information that your device will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings, and right here your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings, and as you can see we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.